It's never too late to use tools and methods to lead a more organized and productive life. By doing so, you can plan your day and make better use of your time. Moreover, you'll have more time for leisure and relaxation thanks to a more organized and productive routine. But where do you start? In this video, we've selected essential tips to help you lead an organized life and reap its benefits so you can begin right away. Welcome to Quinta Essência. 1. Start now. First and foremost, don't think that having an organized life is overly complicated or time-consuming. Everyone has their work, family, and social routines. So, start small with the time you have available by organizing one area at a time. Begin by decluttering your closets, for instance, getting rid of items that take up space and are no longer in use. Do the same with your computer files, deleting images or documents you no longer need. 2. Plan and save time. Task planning and routine organization are excellent allies in time optimization. It's common to waste time looking for objects, clothes, accessories, and documents that you can't find. While this may seem like a minor daily inconvenience, imagine the time saved over a week. Organizing your physical space and your schedule can work wonders in the hustle and bustle of daily life. A more organized home can give you time for a relaxing bath at the end of the day, to finally read the book you've been putting off, engage in physical activities, prepare your favorite salad, or simply enjoy quality time with family and friends. 3. Follow these steps. In her book, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, author Marie Kondo teaches 3 basic steps for an organized life. Discard, carefully assess what you no longer use, what's broken or outdated, and dispose of or donate what's possible. Discard what you can and avoid organizing clutter. Store what's left in its proper place, organize items for easy and convenient access in your daily life. Maintain things organized and in their places. The more you maintain your chosen organization, the less time you'll waste searching for important things and the smoother your daily life will be. 4. Create more space. By organizing your home correctly, you can make better use of the available space. If you initially thought your space was too small, after organizing, you may be pleasantly surprised to find extra space. Proper folding and categorizing of products can significantly increase the usable space in your home. It's common to free up more than one drawer or shelf in your closet, transforming a previously frustrating space into a source of satisfaction. 5. Start slowly but start. As mentioned earlier, the key is to begin, even if it's one room at a time. If you're short on time, start with one drawer at a time and progress until the room is tidy and organized. Then move on to another space and continue this process. Soon, everything will be in its proper place and you'll be free from unnecessary clutter. And as we've mentioned before, maintaining organization is crucial to prevent clutter from taking over your life again. 6. Boost productivity. Being in a clean and organized environment directly affects your motivation and concentration. Your brain unconsciously processes your surroundings, making a messy space more tiring and irritating. Rid yourself of this. 7. Harmonious family life. Typically, where there's clutter, there's someone who feels overwhelmed, constantly asked about the whereabouts of certain objects. In an organized environment where everything has a designated place, it's much harder for clutter to take hold, avoiding conflicts and accusations. With more time, you'll also have more opportunities to connect with your loved ones. 8. Prioritize documents. An organized life also involves properly organizing your documents, bills, and receipts. Store everything in labeled folders for as long as each specific document is needed. Note bill due dates in your calendar to ensure timely payments. These bill reminders also help with managing your household budget. 9. Financial organization. Another vital tip for an organized life is to organize your finances. Develop the habit of creating a monthly budget, tracking your income and expenses. Use a simple yet practical spreadsheet to have a clear view of your finances. This way, you'll know where your money is going and how to save for emergencies or your dreams. 10. Shopping planning versus money savings. Another tip for an organized life is to plan your weekly menu. Check your pantry and fridge for what you already have, make a list of what you need, and buy everything at once at the supermarket. Additionally, you'll avoid impulse purchases and frequent dining out, which can be more costly than eating at home. With organized closets, you can easily see everything you have, making shopping more mindful and saving you time and money. This applies to clothes, cosmetics, books, and even food items that might expire when forgotten at the back of the pantry. 11. Wellness and safety. An organized life extends to your health. Start with simple but consistent habits like getting enough sleep, taking a 20 to 30-minute daily walk, staying hydrated, reducing fried foods, salt, sugar, and carbs, and incorporating plenty of fruits and vegetables into your meals. 12. Routine and an organized life. An organized life requires an organized day. Maintain a daily routine, tackle one task at a time, account for unforeseen events or emergencies when planning your day. Record your ideas, meeting dates, appointments, bill due dates all in one place and check it every morning. You'll see how everything flows more smoothly. Liked our video? We're just starting our channel and we want to bring you much more content like this. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Share the video with someone you care about so they can benefit too. These were the 13 essential tips for leading a more organized life and its benefits so you can start right away. And for those of you who stayed with us until now, here's a bonus tip. 13. Stress reduction and improved self-esteem. Organization allows you to maintain a routine with defined wake-up and sleep times, exercise, easy choices for clothing and meals, and simplified household maintenance. An organized environment contributes to comfort, tranquility, and security. It's enjoyable to be in a clean and organized space, making cleaning easier and preventing respiratory and digestive problems caused by dust and poor food and surface hygiene. When it comes to a home with children and/or the elderly, extra attention is needed regarding organization and the placement of potentially dangerous items. Dishes, glassware, cleaning supplies, sharp objects, everything must be carefully stored to prevent accidents. Thank you for tuning in.